1, 2, 3, go! Woo! 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! You okay?
Woo! Rock jumping. Wow! El Yunque. Here we come.
Here we come. Oh, ya, ¿verdad? A little bit slippery.
Okay.
Might be not.
Oh, not bad at all. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. When I write my review, I'm going to say if it wasn't so muddy.
Yeah.
One star. It's too muddy.
Okay. Say, hey, I read a review. They say it's not that muddy. What happened?
Yeah, what did you do? What did you do? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The crack.
I cannot avoid that.
Go right here. Perfect.
Down there, wait for me in the rock.
Okay. Aha. Not bad, not bad. Temperature's not bad. I think it's gonna get a little bit chilly as it gets deeper.
Okay.
Got it. Not bad. Not bad at all. And maybe do a little cliff jumping from right here. Or swim in the river. Okay, this is the tough spot on the climbing up the rock. This is the hardest part right here.
You're welcome.
You could easily break any bone. Any bone could be broken if you fell into the waterfall. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Something more. So from here, watch my steps.
Oh my goodness. Oh, here's the cave right here. Okay. Isn't that pretty? These rocks.
There's a little rock in our right. Space between these two rocks. Put your right feet there and grab the rope.
Oh, there's a rope. Okay.
Yeah. With two hands. Very important. If you want to go up, don't do this.
No.
It's not going to work. Go very near to the rock and go up.
Here's the rope. Grab with both hands. Point. Point. Yourself. And I'm gonna do it.
Grab the rope and go up. 1, 2, 3. Then once you get good.
Oh, I did it. Did you get a video?
No, take 2. One, two, three, go! A little bit more down. There. Woo! Hands in the chest. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! You got this. Let's wait for them. You ready? Leg firm.
I gotta get straight.
Your string.
I changed my mind.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh! You good?
It's about grace. It's about beauty. We're in nature. Are you recording?
Of course.
I'm doing it.
She's good. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, I'm going right now.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah! Woo! This is a complete video.
Oh, from up there. Oh, we're done with the waterfall. We are heading back. Okay, we came down, now I gotta go back up. Oh, this is the other way we went. Okay, we came up. Got you.
Nice. Beautiful.
Look at the size of these. Hand for scale.